Today we're going to talk about basic transformations. A transformation is an operation that changes a geometric figure's size, shape, or position. We call the original figure before we transform it the pre-image, and the image is the resulting figure after a transformation. So you can see below the pre-image is triangle ABC, and the image is triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. Now we use prime notation to show that there is a transformation occurring. So if something is marked A, and then you see something with A prime and looks like an apostrophe, we know that that figure has gone through a transformation of some sort. And if you then transform the figure a second time, you would still call it A prime or A double prime. An isometry is a transformation in which the pre-image and the image are congruent. So when we reflect something or we rotate something, the image is congruent or the same size and shape as the original figure. And lastly, a composition of transformations is a combination of two or more transformations occurring to the same figure. So let's talk about the few transformations that we're going to learn about. The first one is a translation. Translation is often referred to as a slide, and it's a transformation that maps all points of a figure the same distance in the same direction. This one is an isometry, meaning the image and the pre-image are congruent. So we slide or move the figure is called a translation. The second one is a reflection. Reflection we also often talk about as a flip, and a reflection is a transformation across the line that creates a mirror image. We also know that this one is an isometry, so our image and pre-image are congruent. So you can again see two different reflections over the line. The third one is a rotation. This is a transformation around a point. And so we turn it in some type of circular pattern. Again, the image and pre-image are congruent, so we know this one is also an isometry. The fourth one is called a dilation. And a dilation is a transformation which enlarges or reduces a figure and creates a similar figure. Now the amount or the ratio of the enlargement or reduction is called the scale factor. And we find the scale factor by taking the image divided by the pre-image. So here you can see a dilation. We often think of a dilation as a stretch or a shrink. So lastly, I want you to name the transformation you see in each picture. Pause the video and try these 4 examples. The first one is a rotation. It is turned about point O, and we're rotating the figure. The second transformation is a translation. It's been slid. Thirdly, we have a dilation. We have shrunk our original figure. And lastly, we have a reflection, where the line of reflection would split between the two triangles. If you said this is a rotation, I would also accept that answer because without the line of reflection showing, we don't really know if it's a reflection or a rotation. That's it for transformations. If you have any questions, please bring them to class. Have a great night.